Well, good morning and welcome to another beautiful day in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm Mike and this is the AutoVlog YouTube channel. Finally, spring is definitely here. It's almost like summer. Today's gonna be 80 degrees. It's absolutely gorgeous. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel and you haven't seen the previous video, definitely check it out. We had a lot of fun at the YouTube call out. First time drag racing for me in general, ever. And of course the first time in the C63. It had its ups and downs. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy that video after you watch this one, of course. But we actually gotta take off here in about 5 minutes because we're dropping the Raptor off for a few days. It is getting some work done. Yes, it is time for another mod on the Ford Raptor. So what we're gonna have to be using truck-wise in the family here for a few days is the Ford F-150. And this thing is actually being returned in less than a week. The lease is up. We've had it for 3 years. It's been an awesome truck. However, it has not gotten much TLC lately. I will be cleaning this truck up today. We gotta get moving, so let's go. Alright, so we're back in the old F-150. This thing is dirty. Definitely going to get this thing cleaned up today because it's actually up for inspection before the lease return. They're supposed to call me this week. I haven't called yet, so I don't know when they're coming. But just got to make the truck look a little presentable. Okay, and just like that, we are back home. A quick drop off of the Ford Raptor. Now, what we're doing to the truck, you'll see here in just a couple of days. But now for something else. So I'm back here in my garage. I just saw this and I can't really believe that I haven't seen it yet. I'm back here and I was looking for that extension cord right there and I glance over at my front windshield. I don't know if you can quite see it, but if you look closely right here, see that? It goes all the way over here. I have another gigantic crack in my front windshield. And for those of you who follow the channel, you know that I just replaced, this is a brand new windshield. I haven't had it for more than maybe 2 or 3 weeks because of a big stone chip or whatever it was that flew on the windshield. I actually caught that on my dash cam. But this one here, I actually think I know when this happened. It was when I was driving back from Miami. I heard something hit my windshield, but I never saw anything because I haven't noticed this. As you can tell, it's not in my field of vision. But now though, that I know that it's there, wow, that is really visible. I hope the camera is catching this, but goes all the way through here. We're actually going to back the car out into the sunlight and see if we can see it better there. So my next door neighbor was mowing the lawn. You guys wouldn't have been able to hear me, so I went for a little drive here. But we can at least take a look at the car in the sunlight. So actually the crack goes from over here all the way up here and then past the sensor here for collision warning and everything, and then all the way up here. So again, I hope the camera is catching this well. I mean, this is a pretty serious crack in the front windshield. Last time it happened, it was right in my field of vision. Now, like I said, I think because I remember hearing something when I was driving back from Miami, but this might actually have happened when I drove back from Cecil County. I'm not sure. And the dash cam that I use is supposed to tape over old footage so you have the newest footage on there at all times, so the SD card in the dash cam doesn't get filled up and it stops filming. But sometimes that process doesn't work, so I take the SD card out and delete it if, you know, nothing eventful was captured during my drive at the time. So I know I won't have this on camera like I did last time. And all you can do is really laugh about it. I mean, it's pretty nuts. I've had the windshield, as I said, for, I don't know, 3 weeks, something like that. So, you know, of course it's a little annoying, but I think I'm just gonna ride around like this for a little while, Just make sure that that crack is not spreading anymore. And you know, I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna need a new windshield again. That's not something that is, you know, fixable. But you guys let me know in the comments below if you've had a crack of that size before and it was fixable, but I highly doubt it. But oh well, I mean, I'm not gonna stress out too much about it. You know, I drive this car a lot. I mean, the past 3 weeks, I think, I've put almost 4,000 miles on the car. So, you know, I mean, things like these are bound to happen. It's just annoying that it happens so soon from the previous time. But enough about all that now. It's time to wash the original F-150. Like I said in the beginning here, it hasn't gotten a lot of TLC lately, and I want the truck to look as good as possible when this inspector person comes. Now I am 6'2", but even for me, it can be kind of hard to reach the top of the truck there. That's why I actually use this. It's Adams Polish's truck brush. Very soft brushes, so it's not really gonna scratch the paint. And then I have something called a truck brush pole, and it's adjustable, so you can shorten it and lengthen it to whatever you need. I've started using this Adams Polish's tire brush as well when cleaning the tires. It is really, really good. Now, as always, I just show you guys what I use. I mean, you can use whatever you want, but I like Adams Polish's product. And for anyone that is interested in anything that I use, it's always in the description. And there's also a discount code if you choose to shop at Adams Polish's and want to save some money. All right, it's time to hose her off. All right, so she is done. It's not a bad looking truck for a pretty much, I mean, not base model. It's a fully loaded XLT, but that's a mid-range trim. But I love this truck. It's gonna be sad to see it go, especially for my wife and for Sydney. They've had some good times in this truck. We've traveled far in this truck. Been to Yellowstone, we've been to Arizona, back and forth to Florida a couple times. It's been a really good truck. I'm gonna leave my little GoPro mount here for whoever gets this truck after us. This hasn't been a complete super clean because, you know, I'm not looking to make it a show truck. It's just for the inspector whenever he comes to take a look at it. But with that being said, we're gonna end the video here pretty soon. I know it wasn't as action-packed as the previous upload, but we do have one thing left to do, and that is to go see Sydney. She does have more fan mail. Hey.
Hi.
This says Sydney on it.
Oh.
So I think this is for you. Okay, I think she's got it.
Let's use these.
So there's a note, right?
Right?
So who's it from?
Stephen from the United Kingdom.
So it's from Stephen in the United Kingdom, okay.
Hi, Sydney. Hope this gets to you. Bit more fun and a small gift for you. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you are getting lots of fun. Best wishes, Stephen.
Oh, that's nice.
That's really nice.
That's nice. He had a little note for me here too. I'm gonna read it real quick. I'm sweating like crazy because it's hot outside. Hi Mike, great videos. Enjoyed watching them. Keep up the good work. Glad you're living your dreams. Small gift enclosed for Sydney. Hope this gets to you from Huntington. And that's from Stephen in the United Kingdom. So we're gonna open the gift here.
Go ahead, boo.
Let's see what's in there. Oh, look at that.
Look
Coloring
at
book.
that.
What is it?
Oh, she had her eyes
Oh,
closed.
you had your eyes closed.
Check
Sorry.
it out.
You see it? Turn it around. Let me see
You do
it.
makeup to the person.
That is so
Top model. That's
makeup.
cool.
That is really nice of him.
Get plastic off here.
There you go.
Open it. So you could decorate. You could decorate a girl with some stickers.
Oh, that's awesome. Look at that.
Check it out.
Oh, and do her makeup.
So you can learn how to do like a bunch of different
see,
makeup
that is
tutorials
so
and stuff.
Cool.
So when mommy's not teaching you, you can always look in this book
That's
here.
like really nice artwork.
Nice hair, by the way, babe.
She looks like Beatrix Kiddo.
That's because I am like Beatrix.
So that was really nice, Stephen. She's all like on this already. I know she's gonna enjoy it. Thank you so much. Sydney,
Something else.
Oh, there's something else in there.
Family tablecloth
Oh my gosh.
that you can color on. Wouldn't that be so cool to be able to take that to the restaurants we go to?
Oh, that's big. Look at that.
That's it. You guys can color it, you and Marie Belle.
Wow. It would take like a week to color that thing. It's
That
huge.
is massive. It looks like, well,
It covered my head.
It did cover
and
your
your
head.
entire self. All right, Sid, what do you say?
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
I love the color, tell them.
Love the color.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, that was really, really nice. Thank you so much,
Over
Stephen.
there.
Yeah, make sure that that was it. It was.
Say thank you, and that's really important.
Thank you.
All right, so with that, we're going to end the video. You want to do the outro?
Let me think of an outro.
I think of something really cute.
You know what? The first people who watch our videos that are better than the people who don't subscribe, subscribers are the best! So go and click down below and subscribe! And comment down below about me! And keep out the fan mail, people! Subscribe!
And of course, before we end, I'm going to keep everyone updated on what's going on with the truck. And then also, of course, what's going on with the Raptor. And I think that we need to do another giveaway here very, very soon. It's been a little while, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already and you want to,
Subscribe!
and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.